What do you do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So I see a lot of you are really killing it with the lower amounts and stuff like that, and just want to record this video and show other people how it's done and everything. And in this video, I think we're just gonna do the same, and we're gonna go live right now, and we're gonna scan for available triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bitget crypto exchange, of course. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. And also, just for a reminder, auto trading is really available on 1 month subscription and stuff like that. So all of you were asking me that question as well, but other than that, let's get right into it. I'm just gonna log in here real quick, and we scan for these triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities, and then I'm gonna record live video showing you how it's done and see how much profit we're gonna make and stuff like that. Really cool stuff, and 24/7 support, by the way. So let's quickly select our crypto exchange right here, and we're trading on Bitget. I don't know how much should we put on this one. We can try maybe 150, yeah, just to be sure. Okay, so 150 is pretty good, and I don't want to see lots of opportunities, only maybe like 10 and stuff like that. I'm also recording auto trading for Binance right there, is coming soon, so make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm so that you won't miss out all this stuff, you know what I mean? So let's just click apply and get these opportunities. Here you go. So as you can see, my first opportunity is USDT, Doge, then Euro, then USDT. This one is the highest that I can get on Bitget, so I'm quickly gonna take the first one. Let's not waste any time, and I'll do it live on my phone. You can get the Bitget app, you can download it on your Google Play or whatever, or on your iPhone, and be able to do all these things. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, so we're back right now, and I'm just gonna take advantage of this opportunity that we just scanned right now as quick as possible. And you can see my balance today. We decided to go with 150 actually USD. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click trade, and let's take advantage of this opportunity. As you can see, I've got 149 USD in my wallet at the moment, and the price of Bitcoin is skyrocketing, and there's a lot of opportunities that are available right now from different crypto exchanges. All right, so we have to take advantage of all these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So let's go ahead and get some Doji. I already have some USDT, of course, right here, right? And if you cannot find the pair, then you have to use a swap feature, all right? Whereby you can just swap the coins instead of going to the trade dashboard right here. But anyway, let's go ahead and get some Doji. Of course, I'm just gonna search right here, Doji, like this. So it's gonna be Doji to USDT right here, and we're gonna spend the whole available balance that we have, which is 149 USD. Gonna click 100%, right, and get some Doji. Then just like that, you can see that right now we have got some Doji, and the order has been filled, of course, and this is the amount of Doji that we have, 1,796 worth of Doji. So right now we're gonna go to Doji and the Euro. All right, Doji and the Euro, of course. It's just search here, Doji to Euro right here. You can see Doji to Euro right here. All right, and we don't have any euros right here, so we're gonna have to sell all our Doji that we have on our wallet right here, right? So we're gonna go ahead and click 100%, all right, and we don't have any euros right here, so let's sell it to 100%, and we're using market order, of course, so that we're not gonna wait and all that good stuff. So let's click sell. Okay, it's gonna set the market order and stuff like that, so we're just gonna go ahead and confirm, and just like that we have sold all our Doji. And then now we're gonna quickly have to sell our Euro to USDT, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and search Euro to USDT. All right, euro to USDT, go to spot USDT. Here we go, and we don't have any USDTs available right here. All right, so okay, we're gonna have to buy the euro to USDT right here, of course. All right, so I'm quickly gonna go ahead and spend the whole available euros that I have to buy some USDT. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click buy right there, and boom, just like that. Let's see if we made any progress or profit. All right, let's click sell, boom, just like that. Now we have got 152. This was simple and quick, and that's a good thing I like about triangular crypto arbitrage. So we start with 149, now we have got 152 USD, and it was simple, straightforward. So this is it, guys. My name is Arthur. If you enjoy this kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for each algorithm, and leave your comments, and we're gonna select a random winners and then give them access to the triangular crypto arbitrage for free. So make sure you leave your comment in the comment section below, and like these videos and stuff like that for YouTube algorithm, and we'll be selecting random winners and give them access to the scan, of course, and all other tools on Heavy Crypto University Online. And therefore, guys, I'll send the video. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.